Looking for eco-friendly home renovation ideas? It's time to bring sustainability into your home improvement projects. Today we're diving into some great ways to transform your living spaces while minimizing your environmental impact. Our first green renovation idea is to install energy-efficient appliances. These modern marvels use significantly less energy than their older counterparts. The switch may seem costly initially, but you'll see the savings stack up on your energy bills. Plus, you're doing your part to reduce energy consumption. Next on the list is upgrading your home's insulation. A well-insulated home keeps the heat in during winter and out during summer, reducing the need for heating and cooling systems. Insulation materials like cellulose, sheep's wool, or icinene foam are great eco-friendly options. They're not only efficient but also made from recycled or sustainable resources. Now, let's talk about sustainable building materials. Bamboo, a rapidly renewable resource, makes for an excellent flooring option. It's durable, stylish, and kind to the planet. If you're in the market for new countertops, consider recycled glass options. These stunning surfaces are not only unique and beautiful but also keep waste out of landfills. Lastly, consider implementing water-saving fixtures. Low-flow shower heads, dual-flush toilets, and water-efficient dishwashers can drastically reduce your water usage. Remember, every drop counts when it comes to conserving our precious water resources. So, to summarize, your journey towards a greener home can begin with the installation of energy-efficient appliances, followed by an upgrade in insulation using eco-friendly materials. The use of sustainable building materials like bamboo flooring and recycled glass countertops can give your home a unique touch while keeping the environment in mind. Finally, incorporating water-saving fixtures can help save our precious water resources. Remember, every small step towards eco-friendliness makes a big difference. It's not just about saving money, it's about preserving the world we live in for future generations. So, when planning your next home renovation, consider these eco-friendly options. Your wallet, your home, and the planet will thank you.